is out sick today. Please direct your attention to the front and welcome your substitute, MC Squareroot.
They have interior angles from the 360 degrees. They have 4 sides and 4 vertices. We call this polygon. It's quadrilateral. There are some special types that are compatible. As square as equal sides and every angle is right. Opposite sides are parallel. Equal length equals height. Sometimes the sides are equal. Sometimes there is no pair. Squares are quadrilateral. Quadrilateral's not a square. Sometimes the sides are equal. Sometimes there is no pair. Squares are parallel. Parallel not a square. Rectangles opposite sides written parallel. 4 corners measured at 90 degrees each themselves. Sometimes it is included. Sometimes it isn't fair. A square is a rectangle. Rectangle's not a square. Sometimes it is included. Sometimes it isn't there. A square is a rectangle. Rectangle's not a square. A rhombus is a shape where all sides are equal length. Opposite sides parallel. Opposite angles the same strength. Sometimes it is a diamond. Sometimes it isn't there. A square is a rhombus, but a rhombus ain't a square. Shines bright like a diamond. Proves the spread is always there. A square is a rhombus, but a rhombus ain't a square. A polygon's opposite sides are written parallel. A parallelogram facing angles are equal. Slanted, sometimes it makes you square. Parallelogram's not a square. Sometimes it appears slanted. Sometimes it makes you square. Squares are parallelogram. Parallelogram's not a square. Adjacent sides are equal when diagonals bisect right. Play on a windy day with the shape that's called a kite. Sometimes you take it outside. Sometimes the weather's fair. A square is a kite, but a kite is not a square. Sometimes you take it outside. Sometimes the weather's fair. A square is a kite, yet a kite is not a square. But set of sides are parallel. To find the trapezoid, basis means has a height the area can't avoid. Sometimes it is a table. Sometimes it is a chair. A square is a trapezoid. Trapezoid is not a square. Sometimes it is a table. Sometimes it is a chair. A square is a trapezoid. Trapezoid is not a square. Quadrilateral, rectangle gone by. Parallelogram, trapezoids, kites fly. Now that you've reviewed the shape with 4 sides, the nerdy polygon comprehension I supplied.
Thank you. We found out I could loop that song infinitely.
Yeah.
Thank you. With physics and mathematics, we utilize waves. The driving disturbance radially propagates, transferring energy, going through space, relocating matter, no needing to phase. The type of direction, behavior of the pulse, sorts of kind of wave, propagation that results. If the path is perpendicular, the wave is called transverse. Displaced along the axis, the peaks and drops disperse. A parallel direction wave is longitudinal. Expansion and compression should be movable. We interact with waves every single day. The sound of the song, the light of the day.
Waves, we got the waves, we got the waves. Everybody wave, waves, we got the waves, we got the waves. Everybody wave.
The sinusoidal wave is the simplest form, based on a sine function. This the basic norm. The point to different points on a different waves is called the wavelength. The spacing that it saves. The period is the interval of time required for 2 points from 2 different waves to pass along their floor. It's separate waves combined as interference, creating a new wave, a change in its appearance. Crest to the S of the S is called the frequency. Is it hertz, not watts? The number of crests, the passive given spot is known an amplitude. The volume it projects.
Waves, we got the waves, we got the waves. Everybody wave, waves, we got the waves, we got the waves. Everybody wave.
traveling through the algebraic sum is the resultant value. Waves that obey are referred as linear, have larger wavelengths, amplitudes are skinnier. As supermoids combine its interference, creating a new wave, the change in its appearance, an oscillation pattern that doesn't move through space is called the standing wave. Different points are in phase. The node is the point where the completes at minimum. As the wave rises up, antinode is at maximum. Most common form of these is musical resonance. A drum hit speaker box cause the audience to dance. Waves, waves, waves. Everybody wave. Waves, waves, waves. Everybody wave. Waves, we got the waves. Everybody waves. We got the waves. We got the waves. Everybody wave. Hi, how are you? This song's about quadratic functions. You got the U-shaped graph that will expand infinitely upward right to the left. It's got a base with a power of 2, symmetric corresponding with an axis U. Can split in half into 2 parts. Inversely related vertex start called H and K. The X and Y, minimum, maximum, which way it flies. Parabola! 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 It's concave up or concave down, depending what the A value signs around. If the magic number of A is 1, the thickness of the graph, it stays it's done. A's bigger than 1 gives a vertical stretch, a fractional value, a vertical compress. A horizontal shift goes left or right, and for some equations, x's lie. The vertical shift depends Y value, directly corresponds with the K can do. Parabola! 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 Parabola. The imaginary line is a directrix. It lies equidistant from the focus. Then the point in between is the vertex. Perpendicular line is the axis. Parabola is defined as a locus of a point that is always equidistant from a given line. The directrix to a given point. The focus. Parabola! 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 Thanks, guys.
Hey, this guy's not half bad. Yeah, he's not half good either.
7, 14, 21.
7, 14, 21.
28, 35. 2, 49.
28, 35, 42, 49.
56, 63, 70, 77.
56, 63, 70, 77.
84, 91, 98, 105.
84, 91, 98, 105.
Yeah. That was a short song, man.
35 seconds, yeah. Which is divisible by 7. It's the order of operations. Logistically directs us to solve the computation. It's the order of operations. Arithmetic, algebraic, geometric calculations. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. And the number sentence straight into my Cali. Includes a multitude mathematical operations. Addition, division, exponential equations. Simply does comprise some parentheses. Starts a calculator to this please. Useful in algebra for
irrational expressions, assistance in solving these mathematical questions.
It's the order of operations. Logistically directs us to solve the computation. It's the order of operations. Arithmetic, algebraic, geometric calculations.
Priority overrides the arithmetical operator. Do this first, it tells the calculator. The second primacy confirms exponents. A power or root, doesn't matter which it is. Multiply, divide, we go in succession. It takes precedence over addition of the second. And so this order comes common in this machines. Together we're aware we can calculate the means. It's the order of operations. Logistically directs us to solve the computations. It's the order of operations. Arithmetic, algebraic, geometric calculations.
It's the order of operations. Logistically directs us to solve the computation. It's the order of operations. Arithmetic, algebraic, geometric calculations.
Man, my brother would be so into this guy.
This day's coming up a week from tomorrow.
Yes, he would. I'll agree to that one.
Map it out underneath. Celebrate March 14th. Map it out underneath. Celebrate March 14th. 3.14159 is the approximation of the number called pi. Originally was defined as the ratio of a circle's circumference, diameter, the number universal, a rational number, never ends, no repeats. Used by the Chinese, Babylonians, ancient Greeks, but cannot be expressed as a simple common fraction. Although you can get close, 22/7. Map it out underneath. Celebrate March 14th. Map it out underneath. Celebrate March 14th. 3.14159 is the approximation of the number called pi. Originally was defined as the ratio of a circle's circumference, diameter, the number universal, a rational number, never ends, no repeats. Used by the Chinese, Babylonians, ancient Greeks, but cannot be expressed as a simple common fraction. Although you can get close to 22/7. Map it out underneath. Celebrate March 14th. Map it out underneath. Celebrate March 14th. Yeah.
Yeah!
Gonna have me a slice. An art sector. My God, we got it.
Wow, that really is close to 5. 22/7.
Yeah, it's close. It's not quite though.
The thing I like best about Archimedes is when he said, anything is a dildo if you're brave enough.
I like to think anything's a personal pizza if you put your mind to it, but you know.
Yeah.
3.14285.
That's close.
That's nowhere close. That's nothing like 5.
You get a system of equations that needs to be solved with multiple variables that are involved. There's a few different ways to get a deduction for one or no solution. You can wrap it, plot it on a coordinate plane. See where the lines are intersecting. You can substitute a given letter by itself. Move the other side of the system show. The additive inverse into the elimination. Take away the opposite definition of equation. Sometimes you're gonna need to multiply. Factoring the terms on both sides. When the coefficients match up inversely, you add the two equations vertically. Then once you got rid of a variable, you solve what's left to the decimal. Then with that answer, you plug it back in. Look up the other value for the variable. Kid, solution is true, then they will share. System of equations, order pair. Technologically speaking, we can use as a basis. Put it in the calculator, utilize a matrix. Easily solves a system of equations. Just make sure you do the calculations. One done, infinite done.
One done, infinite done.
One done, infinite done. One done, infinite done. Thank you.
Nice. Yeah.
I got like 2 songs left. I'm gonna be doing another set in a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
9, 18, 27. 36, 45. 54, 63, 72, 81. 90, 99, 108.
He's just counting by nines in this song. Did you notice?
9, 18, 27.
Yeah, I've already.
He's just counting by nines.
54, 63,
This ain't my first show.
81.
That's crazy.
This ain't my first show.
90, 99, 108, 117.
What number do you think will come next?
126.
What's happening?
1, 2, 6.
That's badass.
126.
And then what?
135.
135. That's my favorite.
144.
134.
I like how you go.
134.
I like how you count by threes and you say 69.
X squared plus y squared equals r squared. Properties of circles, now go prepare. X squared plus y squared equals r squared. Properties of circles, no need to be scared. This geometric figure never stops going round. All points are equidistant from the center to the ground. We recognize the shape, that of a circle, has properties throughout, those universal. The distance from the center to a point on the end is called the radius. Doesn't change, doesn't bend. A straight line with two endpoints that lie on a circle is referred to as a chord. Now given the reasons vocal, x squared plus y squared equals r squared. Properties of circles, now you're prepared. X squared plus y squared equals r squared. Properties of circles, no need to be scared. A tangent is a line that touches, doesn't pass through the circle at one point, only has a single debut. Raise it's a tangent at its point of contact. It forms a right angle perpendicular artifact. A secant is a line that touches two points. It differs from a chord, no terminating joints. An angle formed at center by two radii is called a central angle. The arc identifies x squared plus y squared equals r squared. Properties of circles, now you're prepared. X squared plus y squared equals r squared. Properties of circles, no need to be scared. The measure is congruent, relationship direct. A sector is the area contained in intersect. A segment of a circle is a region bounded by a chord in its arc, surrounded, comply. If an arc is 180 degrees, it's major. The smaller ones are minor in this nomenclature. A semicircle's half, not major, nor minor. It measures 180 vertex, it's the liner. X squared plus y squared equals r squared. Properties of circles, now you're prepared. X squared plus y squared equals r squared. Properties of circles, no need to be scared. Two chords form an input on the edge of a shape. The angle is inscribed at a 2-to-1 rate. The arc is twice as large to the angle correspond. The vertex half a measure to the arc that's beyond the central line. An arc of equal length to that of the radius. It's 1 radian, not degrees. Radians are important in trigonometry. 2 pi radian, 360 degrees. Y squared equals r squared. Properties of circles, now you're prepared. X squared plus y squared equals r squared. Properties of circles, no need to be scared. X squared plus y squared equals r squared. Properties of circles, now you're prepared. X squared plus y squared equals I squared. Properties of circles, no need to be counted circles. Like a bird up in the sky, round in circles. Like a bird up in the sky, round in circles. Like a bird up in the sky, round in circles. Like a bird up in the sky. Thank you. My name is MC Squareroot, and I'm gonna do another set a little bit. Thank you. I'm from Dallas, Texas, and everybody counts in math. Thanks, guys. That one's it.
Nice. Show us your tits.